Hi guys, Harry Yotis here. I've been a professional trader for 20 years now. Started my career in 2005 and still going strong in 2026. Okay, today I thought I'd talk about Microsoft. Okay, here we have Microsoft. It's a stock that I am currently long in. Okay, but it looks like it broke down today on January the 14th, 2026. It was holding this key support level. Okay, a little brief history. First, we have a double top here forming technically, and it looks like it's in very bearish territory. However, Microsoft from the highs of around 550-ish, 560, it is now trading at 459. Okay, as it was dropping, I took a long position here. Why? Because if you look back, this is a key support level going back all the way to the summer of 2024. So I wanted to be long. And yes, as I got long here, we did it through put spreads. We made money. We got out of them. We got out of them at least a 75% of total profit realized. I entered it again here, got out of it again here. Now, as it retested this level, I got long again. Okay, but as you can see, it broke down this key level. So is Microsoft going to crash? Does that mean it's bearish? Well, we can see, first of all, that the Mag 7 AI space isn't doing well. You have companies like Meta down, feeling the heat. Amazon, it's close to highs, but it's down for the past 2 days. So there's like some kind of pressure on the top stocks, except Google. Google is still riding high. This is the best in class. But let's go back to Microsoft. You have a backdrop of the Mag 7 not doing too well. AI might not be as hot as it once was. If you look at the news here, you see that even though we have good news, like KeyBank shows that IT budgets are set to rise. Microsoft will invest $500 million each year in Anthropic AI services. It's partnering with AI. So you have a lot of good news, yet that's not moving the market like it did in the past. So the AI trade might not be so hot. However, I'm long here because even though it broke these levels, okay, you have some green shoots, if you will, in the stock. First of all, if we bring in, technically speaking, the RSI, you see that as Microsoft broke down, the RSI is still not below this level. Okay, so we call this positive divergence. You have Microsoft going down while the RSI, and this is the PPO, but it's like the MACD, and the MACD rising. So you have positive divergence in the stochastics, if you will. You have a huge drop. Remember, it's coming down from 560. It's 460. It's dropped $100. Okay, what is that? 20% in like a couple months? That's a lot. Okay, so you have. I'm still long. I still like it, and because we have the S&P 500 in chop X mode, meaning that I think we are in options expiry today, this week, the week that ends the 16th of January on Friday. I think the market chops around, goes down before going higher. And because I am positive the market, I think that all of this move in like Microsoft, given the positive divergence, is short-lived. I think it breaks down these levels temporarily and then recovers. Okay. The only technical danger that I see if that doesn't happen is that, look, we have a huge gap here. And if it fills that gap, it can go down to 395 level, which is like something would have to be bad for the market. The market would have to go down a lot for that to happen. And people are completely hating the Mag 7 and jumping into the market in other segments of the market. Who knows what happens? But for this gap to be filled, something negative would have to happen, in my view, for the market as a whole. So I'm still bullish. I'm still holding. I like these technical indicators here that show that the selling is getting worn out. And with Chop X ending, I think the market goes higher, and with it, Microsoft and the rest of the Mag 7. Does it go to new highs? I don't think so. I don't know. I have no idea. But I just don't think that this big player, the Mag 7, will tank all the way down to 395 going forward. So these are my thoughts. Will Microsoft crash? No. That is my conclusion. I think it goes up with the market going forward. So that's it, guys. Of course, like and subscribe if you like what you heard, and leave a comment below, and I will answer it as soon as I can. Take care.